Welcome to another episode of Kafka's Grill and Chill. Today we're going to be doing the chicken wings over the mangal, which is kebab style, very Kafka's traditional food. And we're really excited. Trying to figure out the best way to do the episodes with, because we do lamb, we do beef, we do chicken, and I'm going to split it up into at least 3 different segments for chicken, lamb, and beef, and maybe a few others. Today I'm going to do chicken, and I'm also going to show you how to do tomatoes on kebab style as well. It turns out fantastic every time, and let's get started. Super easy recipe for the marinade. Just put mayonnaise, tomato paste, about very close to an equal portion. I usually go by color, but that should be enough. And just mix it up. And this, I'm telling you, this makes such a nice skin on the kebabs. It's phenomenal. And that's just about the color you want to see. You know, nice light rose. Basically, I like to go in with onion salt, Trader Joe's onion salt, as you'll see me use in many videos, a decent portion of it, garlic powder, and we're going to do a little bit of chili and lime here. And that's it. Put it on your chicken, cover it up at least an hour or so, and you'll be ready for the grill. So while our fire is being prepared in the back, what we'd like to do is get the chicken ready. And I will post a video on how to get the fire going, or how I like to do it anyways. But basically I like to do wings and drumlets separately. And you just go right between the bones there and push it out the other side. And as you can see, you can flip it around nicely, and it's not going anywhere. So you want to go ahead and do the same thing with the next one. And I like to try to pull the same size pieces and leave room between the pieces so each side can get a nice tan on the fire versus being too close together. A lot of people just pile it on there, which I do not like to do. I like to leave room and get a nice color there. You want to be watching for color, and there you have it. It's starting to turn, so we want to turn these. Nice. Perfect. Tomatoes you want to leave alone. We're going to turn it in just a little while. You'll see the bottom to start bubble up. You know, it takes a little while. It's slow and steady on the tomatoes. Okay, so we're ready to start pulling off. What I like to use is a piece of bread or a bun, and just put it down and push it right off, as you can see, just like that. Tomatoes took a little bit, maybe another 10 minutes extra. Flipped them around a few times, and we are done. You just want to knock them right off, right into the pan there. there you have it. That's how you make chicken kebabs. I hope that was easy enough for you. If you have any questions, want to ask me something, please feel free to write in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer anything you have. Please enjoy with your family and have a great day.